a machine that Automobile Magazine described as bold and funky.
It's a rocket, don't have a knock.
That's articulation, Matt.
This is a death trap. You don't start.
And Isuzu is unleashing a radical sport ute called the VehiCROSS.
This could either be the best or the worst purchase I've ever made.
If it's a K car, I'm gonna be so stoked.
Those are cool, but that's not it. Think weirder.
Weirder.
Obscure.
What is it?
A VehiCROSS.
Is it like nice or?
Nice-ish.
Okay.
This is the rise of the VehiCROSS.
But the times, they are finally a-changing.
Leak a little bit, so just I would replace the pump.
I'm the king of hooties, dude, so this is like, I don't think it would take too much to make it like halfway decent. Even if, I don't know, man, part of me doesn't even want to kind of sell it because like
we said you were going to say that.
Oh, for sure. Not that I'm super familiar with. Honestly, until I got this one, I never saw one like ever in person. I saw it and I was like, I have no self-control, so of course I have to go and get it. And then afterwards evaluate how much time I have to put into it.
Yeah. So those two buttons underneath the shifter, one says winter, one says power. So the winter one, it slows it down so you can't go too fast. And then the power one adds like 800 RPM. Like, so you have more power.
That's great. I've never seen one. It's weird looking.
Ready for this to be sitting around?
No.
Around every day.
How much is this?
3,500. They sell for like 12.
After you repaint it. I know.
We're opening a body shop.
Oh, fair.
Duh.
Bro, this has almost as much carbon as my car.
The seats aren't bad. Oh, but that's a back seat.
And this side literally only spins.
Old.
What?
It's crazy how many people message me on this thing. God owner of a new hoopty. Yeah, I could never figure out how to tilt the back to get in the back seats. Maybe there's some knob.
Them back seats ain't made for an adult anyway. Who you gonna put back there?
I'd be okay in there.
Rear seat room is reasonable for adult-sized passengers.
I'm old. I got back problems. That back seat's never happened. This could either be the best or the worst purchase I've ever made. You love it?
It's different.
Look how much ground clearance that motherfucker
It's got a
got.
lot of ground clearance.
You know, this is a 2000s car, so everything's relatively easy on these, so it's a perfect opportunity for like you.
No, I don't want to wait. No.
Yeah, bro.
That's articulation, Matt.
It's a rocket, don't have a knock.
You just bought a really rare S10.
I love it.
Oh, you're a brave soul.
Oh, they ain't going back up, brother.
You don't start.
Is it?
You're not starting. Maybe there's a trick.
Hold that thought.
Did it just need a jump?
Yeah.
That's it. Why am I always the person that takes it on the first test drive? Okay, here we go. I don't know what that was. You know, I think they want us to die, Trevor.
Does it drive it straight?
It pulls. We definitely take out that car. Hope it stops. This is a death trap. Notice how nobody else volunteered to drive it. Nobody else wanted to ride with it. Oh. Well, first gear's a little rough. Whoa, I'm not sure what that's all about. Oh, something ain't good. That's scary.
Yeah, that's a project car.
I'm just gonna make sure there's plenty of room. Because we won't make it if I push or step on it. Nope, we were gonna.
Oh my God.
we were gonna make it. What if we just keep rolling? Yeah.
Cruising.
It's cruising. It's trying to pull everywhere but straight. Nobody needs to drive this. I wouldn't trust it on a long drive.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Good thing you are a mechanic for a living.
Not on the Isuzus.